Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is this video is sponsored by Wiggins hair, and they sent me this beautiful wig. But before I show you guys what the wig looks like, I'll be showing you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So they sent me, I think, 3D pair lashes. They sent me 5 pairs, 3 different styles actually. They sent me, I think, a headscarf or like a headband, that thingy. They also sent me some stocking cap and the bag to put the wig in, which I'm always appreciative of, because I hate when companies send the wigs without an actual bag, because when I take my wig off, where am I gonna put it? Okay, so the wig that they sent to me is a 5x5. Was it? Yeah, so 5x5 250 HD lace, 30 inches. So it's 5x5 250 density, 30 inches HD lace. And guys, I am absolutely in love. Like, when I posted this on my Instagram, everybody was just like, oh my gosh, this hair, like everyone loved it. The fact that it held the curls, I did some one curls in it, and it was like, yeah, like very, very full all the way down to the bottom. Like it was not stringy or none of that. So I ended up doing some one curls in this wig, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys like how I end up getting like the curls. Okay guys, so the key to getting these curls are almost like a wave pattern curls is using a larger wand, because I did go in and I used a wand, and I think this was I think it was 1.5 inches or 2 inches thick. You want a thick wand, because when you get like the smaller ones, then I don't know, I just feel like the waves are more smaller. So if you want like a smaller wavier look, then definitely go ahead and use like the smaller thickness, or the thinner irons. Yeah, I don't know why I say smaller, the thinner irons. So this was, I think, 1.5 to 2 inch thick. I'm going to be listing it, I'm going to be putting it down below in the description box, because I got it from Amazon, so I'll put it down below, the thickness, the exact measurement of it. But you want to make sure, one, you have a thick wand, and then two, you want to make sure you're not really parting the hair too small, because it's already like, it's a long length hair, so I don't feel like you need to do like tiny curls, because it's, you know, I don't know, I just feel like tiny curls does not go well with longer hair. Like I feel like the bigger the waves, like, you know, because it's a big hair, pretty much like 250 density, 30 inches, you don't want tiny one curls in your head. And thirdly, you want to make sure you are curling in the same direction on each side. So if you're curling on the left, you know you're curling towards the right, and if you're curling on the right, you're curling towards left. So you want to make sure the waves on each side are going in each direction. So just keep in mind that you need to actually curl in one direction going forward. Like, no, you can't do one direction on the left and then a next section is on the left, but you turn the wand a different direction. No, you want to make sure you're going in the same direction on each side. Okay, so one, you have to make sure you already have the thick wand, size wand. Two, make sure you're not parting the hair too small. And three, make sure you're going in the same direction on both sides, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm just letting you guys watch as I finish like one curling this hair. Okay guys, so for the installation process, I did go ahead and I did my ball cap method off camera. I didn't do the full thing around my head because I'm not going to be, it's a 5 by 5, so I don't need the full frontal, like the full front of my hair to have the stocking cap. But yeah, I went ahead and I added my foundation to my stocking cap. I normally use even tinted lace spray, but I don't have it right now, so hence why I am going in with my foundation. So I didn't curl the front part of the hair because I wanted to make sure it was glued on my head first before I actually finished the front part. And because I know I was going to be using like blow dryer, the hot comb, it's going to be glued, so it didn't really make any sense. I would have had to like curl it over anyways, so I didn't do it as yet. So what I did firstly was cut off the thicker white area of the lace, which is like almost an inch, not even, wide on the ends of it. You want to make sure you cut that off because that part will give the you will not be able to give the illusion like this is your hair because it's so thick and white. So you want to make sure you take that off. And I'm going to be going in with my glue. I use 3 layers of glue if I'm going to keep it on for more than 3 days. But if I'm not keeping it on for that long, I'll use like 1 or sometimes 2. And I always make sure to put the glue above the stocking cap and not directly on it. So yeah. So for this flat iron, if you guys don't know what it is, it's called a pencil flat iron. So if you go on Amazon and you type in pencil flat iron, it will come up. They have different ones, but if you guys want as well, I will be linking the one that I'm using down below. But it's called a pencil flat iron. Okay, so I made sure to slow down this part because I just wanted to show you guys that I'm not really brushing or raking through the hair too fast. I'm actually going in one direction, just one comb through, and that is it. And then I allowed the hair to kind of bounce back up a bit so it shapes out. So you don't go in and actually like just comb out one single one or one single like curl that you did. You go in and you make sure you rake every single curl that you did in one direction, and then you see how like it's all waved in one. Yeah, so you want to make sure you're going down almost like you're brushing through it, where you're not really like combing it out too much. But yeah, that's what I did. Okay guys, so this is the final look. But yeah, this is the final look. I know I'm not in the camera, but I still wanted to like show you guys like how beautiful these curls are, and it actually came out the exact way I wanted it to. Like I wanted it to be one, and that's exactly what it did. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Once again, I'd like to thank Wiggins here for sponsoring this video. I'm actually going to go take some pictures now. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.